boys and girls. So last time in class you learned how to use an app called Scratch. And if you remember, the Scratch icon looks like a cat. So let me try to look for it on my iPad. So it looks like this with a cat head and a blue background. So I'm going to go in and you can see that I have 3 different projects. Okay, you guys only have one and we all made a cat go into the house, correct? So I'm going to go inside the project and show you what you guys have done in case some of you were absent last week. So what we did was we added this character, which is a cat, and we also added a house. Now to start this story, it shows that we need to click on this green flag. So if I go up here and if I click on the flag, it will move 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4, 5, 6 times to the right. Do you see that? We have 6. And how many times does it go up? Count in your head. 1, 2, 3. So it should go up 3 times and go inside the house. So let's see what happens. I'm going to click the green flag and let's see. Okay, there you go. Now today we're going to do something related to Christmas. So we're going to start a new project. So I want you guys to click, if you're on this story or if you're on this game, you need to click on this button. That's a home button to go back to this. Okay, so let's see if you guys can go to Scratch, and I want all of you to go to this page and then we are going to continue. All right, can you guys close your iPad, please? We're going to start a new project. And this time, we are going to first change the background. Now, I want this to relate to winter holiday. So I'm going to click on the background. And I'm going to choose the one with the snow. Just like that. So I'm going to click on it. Once it's highlighted in orange, I'm going to click the check mark. There it is. Do you think you guys can do that first? All right, so once you have the background, let's try to add some more, some characters, okay? So I'm going to go back. And I actually don't want this cat because it doesn't really relate to the winter theme. So what I'm going to do is to hold onto, do you see that? Do you see what I did? I held my finger onto this block and I counted 2. 1, 2. And do you see this red X? I'm going to click on the X and get rid of the cat. Do you think you guys can remember that for later? All right, now I'm going to add a new character. And I'm going to add, what should I add that relates to? Oh, I know, I'm gonna add a polar bear. Okay, I want to have a polar bear in my winter theme. So I'm gonna choose the polar bear and I'm gonna click on the plus sign. Now, I want this polar bear to walk back and forth across the screen. Okay, so again, just like last time, I'm gonna put this green flag and find this green flag at the bottom. So let me choose this. Remember, we're only worrying about the green and the blue button. So I'm gonna go on the green. I'm gonna go on the yellow button and I'm gonna choose the flag. Okay, so then I want this polar bear to walk 3 times to this side and 3 times to this side. That's all I want it to do. So I'm going to click on the arrow and I'm going to choose this arrow, right? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. And then I want it to go backwards. I want it to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So to try it out, click on the green flag. There you go. All right, this is pretty good, but I do want the polar bear to walk back and forth, back and forth, back and forth without stopping. Well, I need all this blue block to repeat. So to find the repeat block, you need to go to the red button and find this sign that goes kind of like around and around and around, right? Okay, so I want it to repeat forever. So what I'm going to do is to put this repeat sign all the way at the end. That means I want everything here to repeat. So now I'm going to put the polar bear back here, and I'm going to click on this green sign. There you go. So I'm going to pause my video right now. I would like you guys to do 2 things. First, I want you to delete the cats. Do you remember how to do that? You need to hold on this button and to click X. Then I want you to add the polar bear, and I want you to add these codes. So you need to add the flag. You need to add 1, 2, 3, 4 arrows to the right, 4 arrows to the left, and click onto this red button to find this repeat forever. So if you click on it, it says repeat forever command, and you're going to put it all the way in the end, and you're going to test out this polar bear by clicking onto the flag. Okay, so let's do that. All right, now that you learn how to repeat something forever, I'm going to give you a job. I want you to choose a different character. It can be anything. So I'm going to choose, okay? Actually, no, I'm going to choose a bird. And I'm going to put it in the sky, or right here on the tree branch. And I'm going to make the bird, so you're not on the polar bear, right? Because the polar bear already has something in it. I'm going to make the bird go up and down forever. So let me click on the yellow flag. Oh, up and down. That's all I wanted to do. Repeat forever. So let's see what happens. Nice. So I want you guys to make this a really nice winter scenes with animals doing different activities that are repeated forever, so that in the end we can have at least 2 or 3 animals here. All right, do you understand what to do? Okay, you can get started.